In this PowerPoint tutorial, I will guide you how to insert picture in slide background or how to add background image in PPT. It's pretty simple. So first you need to head to the design tab on the top ribbon, and on the right side you will see that format background. And now you will see that there is a fill option. You need to click on the picture or texture fill. Click this radio button and click on the insert. And now choose a file from a file. You can also use stock images, online picture, or even from the icons. So I'm heading to the from the file, and here I have a background image. Click on that. You can also insert picture of your choice and click on insert, and now you can see that the background image has been changed, and this way you can easily insert picture in a slide background. And moreover, you can also use the transparency to make it light or sharp as per your choice. So I hope you understand how you can change background image. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.